back in 2013, I got some smart lights, and they had a local API. So I did what developers do. I wrote a little bit of Python, put the code on GitHub, and I was able to control them locally.
Home Assistant is open source home automation, built by a global community of tinkerers and creators. It puts privacy and local control first, letting anyone connect devices across ecosystems and build a smart home on their own terms. Take Mona. She's customized everything from lights and cameras to dashboards and automations, without giving up control. Whether it's daily routines or Halloween surprises on stage, Home Assistant makes it possible. Like any great project, it started small but needed support to grow. The team launched Nabu Casa, a community-funded company powering tools and development. And in 2024, they founded the Open Home Foundation.
Being just open source was not enough because we are a smart home platform. We talk to a lot of manufacturers, we talk to a lot of companies, and we realized that we need to have an entity to really tell companies, this is a non-profit, this is open source. So we started a foundation earlier this year. It's called Open Home Foundation. It's based in Switzerland, it's a non-profit. It fights for the core principles of privacy, choice, and sustainability in the smart homes. I donated Home Assistant to it, so it can never be sold anymore. It can never be invested in. It's its own entity.
This is what open source can do. Some started with a small fix, now they're working full-time, speaking on stage and shaping the future of tech.
I wasn't into home automation at all, but I was looking for contributing to a little bit open source, and I found Home Assistant and a very, very nice, welcoming community that were supportive. I contributed, I fixed something, I saw something like, hey, I can fix this, so I did, and then before I knew it, well, I'm now here doing it as a full-time job. And I'm here at GitHub Universe speaking, like, I could not have imagined that 7 years ago.
Whether it's building a game, automating your home, or an app to solve a problem, there's a place for you. It starts with one issue, one pull request, one idea. So, what will you build?